Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you something new. So in this tutorial, I am creating something new for you by using new software Adobe After Effects. So in this tutorial, you viewers learn something new, especially how to fix image in video by the help of Adobe After Effects. So let's go to our tutorial. Yes viewers, hope you understand my this tutorial. This tutorial is simple. You can, if you do practice, you can understand easily. If you are saying about image, you can download this kind of image you can use, and other kinds of image you can use. This is depend on you what kind of creativity you have. So hope you enjoyed my this tutorial. At last, if you are new in my channel, you have subscribe it, press notification button, and you will receive my new information about graphic design. So this is for today. See you next tutorial. Bye bye.